Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivomove 3S and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the bottom of the screen, double tapping actually. So we need to double tap like this to wake up the screen, and once the screen wakes up you will need to press and hold on the screen to open the menu like this. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. Here, scroll through the menu and find the language option. It's gonna look like the icon looks like a globe, basically, this icon. Once you find it, tap on it. And here we have the list of languages. You can scroll through it by swiping left and right on the screen, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find the language, simply tap on it to select it and apply it. Anything interesting? Not really. So let's select any language, for example, this one. And once you apply the language and go back, you will see that the language, where can I show you that the language changed? Maybe in the, no, settings. Oh, here, for example, as you can see, the language changed from English to this one. Okay. And that's how you change the language on the watch. But you can also change the language through the phone application if your watch is paired with your phone. So we can move this to the side, zoom out the camera. Okay, unlock the phone that we are using, open the Garmin Connect app on that phone. Actually, let me reopen it like this. In the app, you will see the home screen. Now tap on More, Garmin Devices. Tap on Vivomove 3S. Here, find the General option and tap on it, and then find the language. Tap on it, it will open the list of languages. Find the language you would like to use on your watch, tap on it to select it, then go back to the device page, and you will see settings saved successfully. Sync your watch with a phone, and once it's done syncing, the settings should be applied. So if we open the menu and something like maybe activity, you will see that language changed back to English. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.